So hey, hi everyone. In this video, we are going to look into how we can create our LinkedIn profile much more efficient and effective. So firstly, I'm going to tell you how we can create our LinkedIn profile and what details we are needed to add over there. Secondly, I'm going to tell you how you can do job search over there and how you can create connection over there. And third, how you can reach out to the people who are actually already exist in some company and how you can reach out to them for referral or for any guidance. And yeah, let's start with it. So firstly, open any browser and search LinkedIn on it. Then you will see some interface like this. Then click on join now button, and then you have to write your email and password of that email, and then click on continue button. After that, you have to write your first name and last name and keep it as professional as you can. So write your name, first name and last name, which is present on your valid ID everywhere, and then click on continue button. After that, if you want to save the password, you can save, otherwise it's your choice. And here you have to write your location, like from where you are, and then click on continue button after choosing location. And here, if you are doing some job, then you can write your job title over here, or if you are a student, then you can just turn on the student button and add your college details over here, like your college name. For me it's Delhi University, so I will write Delhi University over here, and the degree you are pursuing from there. So I am pursuing master degree, and after that the field, the area of study. So I am studying computer science and engineering. Then I will add this. In your case, you will add yourself. And then the starting year means the year when you have started your college. So for me, it's 20 and 24. And then press on continue button. And there is one more check. Like if you are above 16, then you can click that check and continue. After that, you will receive an code on your registered email for verification. Then write down that code over here so that you will be authenticated on LinkedIn. And then there is an option that are you looking for job? So if yes, then you can click on yes, I am actively looking for, and depends upon you. Then click on continue button. After that, they are asking about in which job you are interested in. So currently I am interested in software engineering job. So I will write software engineering over there. And also you can select multiple jobs over there. So I'm also interested in manager kind of thing. So I will write manager job also. So you can add multiple jobs according to your interest. So I have added three, you can add more than this. And job location which you want to work in. So I will write Bengaluru first, which is my very first preference, and it depends on it depends on you totally. So you can also add multiple locations over here, and if you are open to work remotely, means work from home, then you can click on this option. Then click on continue button. So here, if you want to receive notification for this job from LinkedIn, then you can just on this buttons. Otherwise, you can just off it if you don't want to receive any notification. Then click on continue button to go to further pages. Now it's asking for adding your profile picture. So before adding profile picture, keep it as professional as you can. So add professional background and professional face. So these are the websites. These are the website like Pecodra. It generates the professional background for your image. Like you first upload your image, then choose one background, and then click on generate. So it will generate a professional background for your image. So firstly you have to log in and do all those stuffs, and after that you will get a generated professional background generated over there. Then export it and download it. And yeah, now you can upload your photo, professional photo over here. And also you can just adjust your photo like zoom in, zoom out from here, and yeah, the way you like. And the photo has almost set, now uploaded. Yeah, we are done with photo. Press on continue button. Now you can see your connections over there. This means they are suggested connection according to your college and all. And these are, you can follow the company if you want to. Then continue, and then again press continue. Then yeah, our profile has been created. Certain more tweaks are needed. So we'll go to our profile, and if you want to add your mobile number, then you can add those also. And secondly, to enhance your profile, you can write about yourself, like what you are doing and what you want to do in your life. Like currently, for me, I'm a passionate engineer who wants to work in large scale systems and want to build something which can solve people problem. For you, it might be different. So yeah, you can take help of ChatGPT or Gemini to generate such content according to your preference and studies. And then you can add your skills over there. Like for me, I know programming languages, communication, leadership. So so it totally depends upon your field of interest and what you have done so far. So list out all of your skills and then save it. And yeah, then click on that edit sign over there near your profile, and you can add your what to pronounce you, like for me she her because I'm a girl. And then you can add your experience over there, which is job title or any role you have done so far. For example, currently I'm in college, so I have been cultural secretary, so you can write cultural secretary. For in case you, if it has been something else, then you can add that. Or if you have any experience in past, then also you can add those, like with some company and all. So I was, for title I was cultural secretary, and then company or organization, so Delhi University. And then it's asking for me, it's a full time or part time, so it's full time. Now when you have started this role and in which year, so I will write it down over there. And then what is the location, so of course Delhi. For your quiz you will write according to your one. And then description about that role you need to write over there, what are the responsibility you have handled over there. And yeah, where you can find this job. So this has been presented by college, so it has been not listed over there, so you can choose other, or you can just leave it blank. Then yeah, you can save it, add your skills, and then media over there. Media means any professional links, like GitHub link or any website you have created, that link. Then yeah, after writing skills you can just save it. So yeah, we are all set. And you can just look here. In experience it's showing that cultural secretary, and in education the university. And in education, in plus sign you can go and add more education like 10th 12th marks also. And if you have multiple experience, then go on plus icon and add multiple experience over there. And now we are going to search how we can search people over there. So just write their name. Like for me, I am searching for first my friend, like Manisha Singh. So I will write it over here. And if you want to search more specifically, you can write their college name, like Manisha Singh from which college? So Delhi University. I will write Delhi University because there are many Manisha Singh over there in LinkedIn. But I want to search only for the one who is there in Delhi University. So I will write it over there, Delhi University, and it will make easy for me to search Manisha on LinkedIn. Yeah, I found her. Then you can just send her the connection request or your friend's connection request. So yeah, if she accepts your request, then you would be able to message her or text her. And yeah, this is all about sending requests. And now let's look into how we can search, how we can do job search over there. So firstly, write the job in which you are interested in. For example, marketing. So when you search marketing over there, you will see some results like this. Like all the job openings will be listed over here. And when you specifically click on job filter, then it will list the jobs only, and you can apply those jobs from here. And after applying or before applying, if you want to reach out to some people who are already working over there for referral, so you can, what you can do, you can just take the name of company and write in the search bar. For example, I want to search for the person who are working at Google in marketing team. So I will just search Google marketing, means Google marketing, who are there in Google marketing. Google means company and then marketing means the position. Similarly, you can write at Google SWE, means inside Google software engineer. And instead of jobs, click on people. So this will list out people for you who are already working over there. So you can connect from here to them and ask for referral and for any guidance. And you can do this for any jobs and any company. You can search it out over here and reach out to any company people. And when they will connect to you, means they will accept your request, then try to message them in a professional way, like my degree is this and I am interested in this role, and try to share them the job link if you are asking for referral, job link and job ID, and why you are most deserving for that job and why should they refer you. All of these things you should add over there. So in this way you can search out people and which company they belong to, and yeah. So yeah, this is all about it. Yes, expand your network and try to apply jobs and explore LinkedIn as possible as you can. Also on LinkedIn, you can enhance your profile by posting some certifications and competitions that you have win over there that can boost your profile. So yeah, you can add all of those things to attract recruiter. And yeah, thank you so much. This is all about this video.